Design Gateway NVMe IP enables FPGA system to directly connect NVMe SSD without CPU support. It also supports VRAM operation, without external memory. Achieves very high performance over 2200 megabytes per second write speed, with Intel Optane SSD 900p. Very low FPGA resource usage, including optimized PCIe bridge core and simple data and control interfaces. Free reference design is included with IP core license. The reference design included with IP core, CPU interface, FIFO, and simple user logic for read-write data. IP core data path can connect directly with on-chip FIFO. IP core control path is mapped with processor system in QSys tool. Read-write operation can be tested with test logic and processor firmware. The reference design is simple to use and shorten your development time. NVMe IP demo on Intel Arria 10SX board is available before purchasing the IP core. Let's start performance evaluation. Identify device command shows SSD model and the capacity. Write SSD command to input start sector address, the number of sector size and data pattern. During writing, the display shows total transferred data size every second. When the transmission completed, the display shows writing data size, execution time and write speed. The write speed is 2242 megabytes per second. Read SSD command to input start sector address, the number of sector size and data pattern. During reading, the display shows total transferred data size, every second. When the transmission completed, the display shows reading data size, execution time and read speed. The result of reading speed is 2744 megabytes per second. For more detail, please visit Design Gateway website.